Today, we're checking out our cool new super slim profile ceiling light that comes complete with a fan. It comes shipped to your door with just about everything you need. And the box is well padded to make sure your light arrives safely. Open the styrofoam and inside you can find your user manual, your remote, hardware, and batteries, your mounting plate, as well as your ceiling fan. All you need to install is a screwdriver or power drill. This fan is super low profile and will fit basically anywhere that you have a ceiling light. It measures in at 19.7 by 6.5 inches and is designed for rooms that are 97 to 172 square foot. It has 6 fan speeds, and you can even adjust the light from 2700 to 6500 Kelvin. And that's not all. The ceiling fan light combo has smart features. You can use the app to control the light and the fan speed. You can even connect it to your Alexa or Google Home and use voice commands to control your light. I can't wait to bring some breeze to our bedroom. But currently, we're waiting to have our electrical updated by someone more qualified than me. So I'm not able to install this yet due to our faulty wiring. But I was so excited when this came in that I had to share. I'm looking forward to getting this installed in our bedroom, where we can have some air circulation and nice light. Because now, we have nothing. We'll be back with an installation video after our electric is fixed. So till then, we'll see you next time. See ya.